My bestie stole my family when I went blind. I opened my eyes after childbirth and realized I couldn't see. My vision dropped 98%. I needed costly surgery. I was totally helpless, especially around the baby. My bestie Shirley came to the rescue. She practically lived with us. One day, I stumbled over a chair and fell. I nearly knocked over the crib. I was terrified. What frightened me even more was Shirley's reaction.
"You're dangerous. You should be isolated from your son."
Instead of standing up for me, Earl took her side.
"You need to learn to live blind, or you'll kill someone."
I came back from the doctor with new glasses. Suddenly, I heard my son crying. He'd fallen out of his crib and hurt his leg. I wanted to ask Earl why no one was watching our boy. The answer was self-explanatory. Shirley had found a way to distract Earl. I couldn't believe my best friend betrayed me. We've been friends forever.
Enjoy your life, friend, but not with me in it. And Earl, I'm filing for divorce.
A few days later, social services paid me a visit.
"We received a complaint that you're not looking after your son. The bruise on the boy's leg confirms it. We're placing your son under his father's custody."
Earl and our boy moved in with Shirley next door. My best friend just stole my life. I was so blind, I didn't see it coming. I wanted to get my son back by any means. First, I found a job. I became a manager at a law firm. I earned enough to get eye surgery. I recovered 80% of my vision. I could see again. But I didn't like what I saw back at home.
"I'm sick of you. I wanted to punish your mom, but punished myself. I thought you'd go to a kid's home."
Turned out it was Shirley who tipped off social services. I immediately contacted our company lawyer. He prepared all the paperwork. And in a month, I had my son back. One night, I woke up to screams from outside. Shirley's home was on fire. 5 minutes later, Shirley came to me. "Let me in. I'm your best friend. Earl flew off with someone else. I got no one to turn to. You can't leave me on the street. I looked after your son."
"Because of you, social services took him away from me." "You're a danger to others. You should be isolated."
With a clear conscience, I slammed the door in her face. Earl wasn't present in our lives either, so I terminated his parental rights. "Now you have full custody of your son." You don't need eyes to see someone's true colors. Try going through hard times together, and they'll show their real face.